How to make a tripwire alarm. What you see here is a fishing string. We're actually in a liquor store and we have a hidden liquor selection back here, or like extra stock or whatever you want to call it, and somebody keeps snooping back here and stealing bottles of liquor. Well, the way we noticed it was there was boxes over here that were opened and there was missing bottles. So had they just stole them off the shelf, we probably never would have known, or it would have been a while before we caught them. So what I did here is I went on eBay and I typed in window alarm, and these cost about $2. And what it is like a little magnet next to a little sensor alarm. I've just taped it up over here. And what I did, they're actually made to go on windows. I put some fishing string around here, the magnet, so when it separates, it goes off. And what I did over there, let me turn this off so I can explain to you guys what you're doing. I put a piece of metal here from like a razor blade, just the tip of it. I crazy glued it to it, and I took a little magnet and I crazy glued that to this other magnet. There's actually a magnet in here. Without that, when this separates, that's how that works. But being that I needed to put it on a string and I don't have a window, I had to actually make my own mechanism to make it go on and off. So we actually caught the guy who was stealing the liquor. He came around back here, looked around, his head turned left and right, and when he attempted to go back here, the employee was playing on his phone and he was being distracted by the guy's girlfriend. So when he went back here, the alarm tripped off, he panicked, didn't know what to do, and the guy looked up, and we actually have like surveillance cameras in here that caught him going back here, but not exactly, there was no footage back this way. But the guy got caught red-handed. Him and his girlfriend ran out of the store like a bat out of hell, and I don't think we'll see them again. We lost probably $100 in liquor, but at least we got rid of the problem. I don't think he'll be back. So just made this video, so if somebody wants to make a tripwire alarm, you could put these in a door or something like that, and so when somebody walks through, you can actually catch them. Pretty cool. So if they're not noticing it, it just goes off, it'll alert you. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Hopefully this video helps you out in making an alarm and catch your thief.